Earn over $900 just by opening up and reading emails. Hey guys, hope you're having a great day. I had a great one yesterday because I just found out an amazing way that can help you earn free PayPal money as a complete beginner. To be precise, you can make up to $1,000 just by simply opening up and reading emails, and all you need is your computer, your phone, and an internet connection on this awesome website. The other great thing about this method is that it works worldwide and is completely fresh, and it's going to work through 2023 as well. You really don't need any skills or experience or anything like that. You only need your computer and or a phone and an internet connection with it. And all you need to do is just simply watch this whole video so you'll understand how you can make all of that money. And in less than 10 minutes, you're going to understand how to shake the money tree without much effort, and especially if you have a PayPal account as well. Because in this video, I'll show you precisely how to do it, how you can start earning hundreds and thousands of dollars with PayPal every single day. And before we go any further with the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the notification icon, and also comment down below. So let's begin with the video. So do you have an email account? Any like Google or Yahoo or AOL or any other email account you use? If so, I'm asking because in this video, you'll just simply, as I said before, just open up emails and write. And we're going to take you over to this website called paytoreademails.com. Now, in this website, all you have to do is just simply sign up and read emails and get paid. It's very simple. Over here, you will receive daily paid emails and quick payment processing within 24 hours and as low as $15 payout limit. So you can earn as low as $15 by just simply reading emails. Join and activate your account, and you can earn $3 as a sign-up bonus as well. And you can also partake in other activities such as daily surveys, and you can even refer to your friends as well. So it's very simple and it works really, really well. So let's go ahead and sign up. So the sign up process is very simple. You just choose your gender, either you're female or a male, and you are good to go. Then you enter in your first name, your primary email, the password, confirm your password, and just simply hit the sign up button. So we're going to choose male. We're going to enter in our name. We're going to enter in our email and our password as well. We're going to confirm our password and just simply hit the sign up button. And once we're signed up, they're going to ask us for our name as well. They're going to ask us for a bunch of other information. So we're going to say junior again, junior. Zip code is going to be 10001, and confirm that you're not a robot and just simply click on sign me up. And after that, they will say, thank you, account activated. You have a $3 sign up bonus has been credited to your account. And over here, you have your instructions as well. So you have been qualified for the following great offers below. As you can see, you have some other offers as well. Cash for offers, moolah days, quick pay surveys, and survey email. And down below are free ways to reward your online activities. You can earn over here, as you can see, visit the cash survey section and you can earn from 0.50 to $1 per survey. You have other cash offers as well where you can earn 100% free offers. You can earn different points by redeeming some of your paid emails, GPEs, and paid emails as well. It adds up fast. And you have your daily surveys as well right here, which are like the top paid surveys. It's very simple. So what we'll do now is we'll just simply come over here onto the paid email section. Now, it is, of course, important for you to have your email account as well. So if you don't have an email account, just go ahead and quickly create one. You can either create a Google email account or a Yahoo. It doesn't really matter, but I'd prefer if you make a new email account separate for this website, like a Yahoo email. Yahoo is probably better for this type of work. So go ahead and create an email account and you are good to go. So we have to activate the button that have been sent to our email account. So I am using this website, right? It's called temporary email. And over here, we have the email right here, and we'll just simply click on the button to activate our account. It'll take us over here onto the new tab. And over here, I'm pretty sure our account has now been activated. Let's go over here onto paid emails. And over here, we can see the emails right here. So these are the subjects, these are the statuses, and these are the earnings. So let's go ahead and click on this email, and the inbox is empty. Okay, let's go ahead and try to find out another one. It seems that I think that all the emails are not available right now. So what we'll do is we'll go over here onto the offer section where we have other ways to earn money as well, not just reading emails, as I said before. So over here you have different surveys that you can take and complete and earn money. You have points as well. You can earn points over here. You have the more section over here where you will have shopping, coupons, and referral program. You will get different points by completing different surveys, reading emails, and once you have enough points, you can go ahead and buy a coupon or redeem those points onto specific websites, and you can buy yourself a nice little thing as well. So as you can see, we also got the sign-in bonus. We have $3 right here. We can go ahead and check out as well. And over here, we'll click on request payment as well if you want, but you must have at least $15 minimum to request payments, and you can also redeem your points as well. You have to have at least 50 redeemable points, and once you're done that, you just simply connect your PayPal account to this website and you can go ahead and redeem your points or cash out your payments as well. Very simple, very easy. So again, let's go ahead and take a look at some more of the offers. So we have free offers over here. Let's go ahead and actually take a look at all the surveys. Here we go. Let's go ahead and complete this survey right here. This survey has, well, they'll need our opinions for this survey, and we'll earn $0.60. So this is the consent over here. I agree to the terms of services. I agree to the privacy policy. I agree to all of these as well and accept all. And our score is over here as well for quality assurances. You are currently blocked from completing service. I don't know what it is, but I guess I have been ticked, maybe because I have been using an ad blocker. So take this as an example, guys. Turn off your ad blocker if you are using this website or are on this website as well, because they're going to go ahead and block you. So it's going to take me at least 2 days or 2 to 3 business days, or maybe 3 to 5 business days for the tick to go away. And once it's gone away, we can go ahead and start taking the survey. So let me actually first and foremost turn it off right here. Always. There we go. Let's see if it works. All right, it works. All right, nice. So let's go ahead and click on the surveys option. And what over here we have different surveys. What is a screen out? What is a quota full mean? I don't know. What does survey closed mean? We'll go with later, but let's go back over here onto the website and try to find another survey to complete. So we'll click over the second survey, wait for a couple of seconds for the website to open it up. This time I don't have any ad blockers, so let's go ahead and select our language. Over here, we're going to choose English. We're going to choose English and click on continue, and choose our birthday as well, 1996. Click on continue. Mail, click on continue. What is your zip code? 10001. Continue. And what is your annual gross household income? Let's go with this one. Click on continue. There we go. There we go. Click on that. And I believe we should be good to go after this. And of course, once you've completed all of those surveys, all of those options, you are good to go and you can start earning money. So pretty simple. This is it for this video, guys. This is how you earn money. Just make sure you have an email account, sign up onto this website, and you are good to go. And of course, as always, if you find this video helpful or educational, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And also comment down below about what you think of this video, and we will talk to you guys in the next one. Take care and goodbye.